Guys, imagine turning your website multilingual without touching any code. The process stays simple, calm, and predictable. Even if you manage your site alone, it takes a few steps to make your content accessible to visitors who prefer reading in their native language. That is what we are exploring today. Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Friends, today we're taking a look at Weglot, a translation service that helps you convert your website into multiple languages in a structured way. The platform focuses on ease of use and consistent interpretation coverage across your pages. I'll show you how it behaved while I converted my own technical blog and what the workflow looks like in real use. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see how this language tool performs. Folks, I am currently inside the Weglot dashboard, where my connected blog appeared with a German version that covered every article and category page. The tool analyzed the structure of the site and produced translations that stayed consistent across all sections. It handled headings, paragraphs, and metadata in a stable way, which helped me see how deeply the system interprets content. The results felt structured and predictable. Adding new languages followed the same smooth pattern. Once French was enabled, the interpreted version appeared across the entire site without any delays. Friends, each page loaded with clear text, and the system managed large content sets calmly. It transitioned between languages in a steady way and kept the structure of the blog intact. This showed how reliably the service processes multilingual outputs. To install it on WordPress, we start with the Weglot Translate plugin and move into the configuration panel. Here, we select the original language from a wide list and choose the languages we want to add. Mates, the interface keeps the process structured and displays each field in a clear and simple way. We can set German first and then introduce French to see how multiple versions behave together. The settings section felt straightforward and did not require extra adjustments. Next, we check the language switcher design. The tool lets us choose between different display styles, including drop-downs and flags. We can place the switcher in the area that supports the layout of the site. Guys, if needed, we adjust its appearance through CSS to match the visual style of the blog. The site also lets us set visibility rules and control where the switcher appears. This helps us keep the design consistent. After saving changes, we return to the dashboard and open the activity section. It displays a clear log showing that French was added and activated. We can also open our connected projects and confirm that all configurations apply correctly. Folks, the platform synchronizes these settings with the site in real time, so every update stays aligned. This creates a steady sense of control during the setup. Next, we open the blog with French enabled. The translation loads immediately and covers every article, paragraph, and heading. The system updates each page without delay and forms a clear version in the selected language. Friends, this helps us see how fast the converted content appears for visitors. The workflow stays smooth throughout the process. Inside the URL section, we check the complete list of interpreted pages. The system scans the website on demand and uses AI to generate multilingual versions when users request them. Each new article also receives a translated version as soon as it appears on the site. This makes the workflow scalable when you publish content regularly. This first AI layer of translation is quite reliable. The assistant includes a visual editor that lets us refine interpretation directly on the live page. We highlight text segments, review the phrasing, and rewrite small parts to keep everything accurate. That's the human layer to fine-tune your content translations. Mates, the editor reacts quickly to manual changes and is easy to navigate. These adjustments help maintain clarity and improve tone within the context of the page. The editor behaves predictably and keeps the workflow organized. Weglot also provides a glossary, where we can define how specific terms should appear in each language. We add technical words from the blog and assign preferred equivalents for consistent results. The service applies these choices across all converted pages. It also allows us to mark terms that should remain unchanged. This helps keep the tone steady across multiple languages. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. There is also an option to request professional translations from human specialists. Inside the dashboard, we open the section where these requests are managed and choose the parts of the content we want to refine. The system shows delivery times and integrates the updated text once it is complete. Folks, this gives us more control when specific pages require higher accuracy. It becomes helpful when we work with complex terms or documentation-style material. Inside the settings, we check the interpretation options for slugs. The platform can generate language-based URL structures automatically or let us adjust them manually when needed. This helps keep navigation clear for visitors who browse different language versions. We review several examples from the blog and see each slug displayed correctly in the selected language. Friends, the analytics section shows page views and visitor origins in a simple and organized way. It lets us track which countries interacted with converted content and how often each page was accessed. This helps build a clearer understanding of multilingual traffic and how users move across the site. We review the statistics for our blog and notice how different regions respond to specific articles. It helps us plan future content with more confidence. In the language model section, we choose the tone used for translations. Guys, the site analyzed the style of the technical blog and assigned a technical tone automatically. It reads the writing style and adjusts the output to match that structure. We can still select neutral, formal, or informational tones when needed. This level of control helps keep the converted content aligned with the audience. The service also scans the site and builds interpretation rules based on structural elements. We define conditions for text segments, URLs, or page patterns to shape how translations behave. Basically, you can prompt your tone of voice guidelines to have a global alignment on translation style or choose different approach depending on your content sections. Mates, these rules guide the system and help maintain order across multiple languages. We can also exclude certain URLs or set how the switcher behaves on those pages. It keeps the workflow flexible and steady. In the Setup section, we find the API key used for WordPress and other apps. We also open the Email Converted Text settings, which adjust outgoing messages based on the visitor's selected language. This includes confirmation emails and other notifications. The platform supports search translation and offers specific controls for pages marked as important. These options cover most scenarios you may encounter when managing a multilingual website. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. In this video, we explored Weglot and tested how it handled full site translation for my technical blog. The workflow was completed smoothly and included all necessary steps. The tool translated full pages, handled new articles, and updated content on demand. It also provided controls for style, tone, and terminology, which helped maintain clarity in both German and French versions of my blog. Friends, the experience remained calm and steady, even with larger sections of text. I personally use this service and consider it helpful, but the choice to use it or not is always yours. I hope this review helps you decide. So what do you guys think? Are you ready to give Weglot a try? Or do you have questions about how it works? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.